Hey everyone! In today's video, we are diving into the top 5 free website builders perfect for beginners. Whether you're starting a blog, portfolio, or business site, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Wix. Known for its versatility, Wix offers hundreds of templates and a built-in drag and drop editor. It is perfect for beginners, but it also has advanced features for those looking to grow. It is super easy to use with flexible design options. It also offers a free plan. So you can give any Wix Premium plan a try, and if it's not the right fit for you, you can cancel within 14 days for a full refund, no questions asked. Next, we have Weebly. It is known for its simplicity. Weebly is great for users who want to get online quickly. It's beginner-friendly with pre-designed layouts, but it also provides options for custom code if you want to get creative later on. The free plan includes Weebly branding, but it's a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to create a basic site fast. If you're more focused on blogging, then WordPress.com is your go-to. It's one of the most popular platforms, especially for content creators. The free plan has fewer customization options, but it's perfect if you just need a simple blog to get started. Next up, Google Sites. Google Sites is the most straightforward option on this list. It's great for simple websites and works seamlessly with other Google services. While it's not the most feature-packed platform, it offers a free plan and it is super easy to use. And last but not least, we have Card. If you're looking to create a simple one-page site, Card is unbeatable. It's fast, easy to use, and you can get started for free. Perfect for portfolios, landing pages, or personal projects. So there you have it. These are the top 5 free website builders for beginners. Wix, Weebly, WordPress.com, Google Sites, and Card. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.